and hit search plugins. And you would see it's the first one up top here, version 3.6.32. And then this is essentially an all-in-one SEO related plugin package that allows you to construct metadata information on every single page of your website, including things like titles, meta descriptions, keywords, tags, etc. Of course, there's also added extra functionality such as installing scripts and style sheet, etc. on specific pages. But we're just going to be dealing with the most basic things for this tutorial. So just go ahead and hit install. And again, it gives you a description. So as you can see here up top, it says that this plugin has not been tested with your current version of WordPress, but that's okay. I've kind of tested it and the basic functionality works fine. So just hit install now. And you can see here that again it has successfully installed our plugin, and so we can just go ahead and activate it. Okay, plugin has been activated. So when we scroll down, HeadSpace2 is right here. Again, we should go into the settings in order to customize it. Actually, this is one where you have to go in and customize the settings. So we will just be focusing on this main first tab, which is the page settings. There's obviously other things you can do, such as the page modules, site modules, etc. But we are just going to stick to the basics and leave those in this tutorial. So this page setting page is where you can set things like the page title, descriptions, keywords, etc. for individual pages. And then one of the nice things they've included in this package is these special tags in which you can specify within each of these pages in order to display things like the date of the post, the title of the post, a site name, excerpt description, category and tags, etc. And so let's just go in and start customizing like one or two of them just to show you what this package can do. So let's go into the first, which is global settings. And this is the default setting that's applied to all your pages within your WordPress site. So you can go ahead and type in the title of your page. So I'm just going to put in the tag for title, which is whatever title we assign to a particular post or category or what have you. And then in the description, perhaps it's nice for us to put in an excerpt. So again, I'm just using the excerpt tag. You can change these display information to whatever you feel is the most descriptive for your own site. And this is actually a part of what SEO is supposed to be doing. And then for the tags, this is the meta keywords that are included in the top, the head section of all your pages. So just type in things like tag, I don't know, and perhaps just basic information keywords about your website. So for example, I know this site is a demo site about WordPress, so I'm just going to put in WordPress and HTML and perhaps development, tutorial, how to, and perhaps web div, and then my name, and then put in my address and then box.ca. Okay. You can then hit save. Actually, I'm just going to open this back up and show you another option. If you click on the advanced here, you can also specify JavaScript files and style sheet files that you would like to include in specific pages or to the whole complete site. And these information will be included in the script tag up in the head section. And this is useful if you are using scripts for things like Google Analytics, etc. So keep that in mind. You can just add them in directly here instead of going into your actual header.php file and do changes that way. So And then let's look at our homepage tab. Again, you can see that we have a similar kind of setup in which you can type in the page title. Now in this case, I am just going to type in the site name, which is HTML2 WordPress. So you can see here that the title, you can use the tag site name. And in the description, I'm just going to put in my own description, which is a new learning site that shows you how to convert HTML layout into a WordPress theme. And again, tags, put in whatever tags that you feel would work for your site. And I'm just going to type in some of the basic stuff. Tutorial, how to, I don't know, web div, my name, and inbox.ca, screencast. Okay, and then hit save. Again, you can do this for all of the specific section of your page. So this front page is if you have set the front page to be using a static page. In our case, we're just using the default home page, which displays all our blog articles. But you can switch between these two under the settings reading tab. So you can either have it the front page display your latest post, or you can set it to a static page, and you can specify the front page to use a particular template or particular page, sorry. And then for the post page, you can also specify to a specific page. And then just going back, you could specify tag details for all of these different type of pages. And then you can hit save. Actually, you don't even need to hit save, it's automatically saved. So if you go to your website, hit refresh, you can see here that our title has been changed to display the name of our site, which is HTML2 WordPress. And if you go into one of these pages, and you can see that the title automatically changes to the right title. And also if you look under the view page source, check out the meta information here. If I can find it. Meta link script meta name. Right here, it's right there. The meta name description has now been changed to include an excerpt of our page, which is right there. And so this plugin is pretty sweet in handling things like that. And of course, there's also extra functionality that included in the page module and the site modules, and I'll just let you explore all of that. But this concludes our screencast on plugins. Obviously, there's a ton more